How to add product link to TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will first have to open up your TikTok, then visit your product marketplace, and over there you need to explore the products that you want to add on your videos. So after exploring the products, just simply click on the option of add right below them, and this way you would be able to create a list of products that you can add while posting your content on TikTok. So right after, when you click on the option of add, you would be able to see the option of view. Just simply click on it and you would be able to check out the list of products that you have added over there. Now when you are posting your videos, on the last page of your editing, you would be able to find the option of add link, and just simply click on it, and after that you would be able to select the option of product. Simply select it, then select the product that you just added in that particular list, and this way you would be able to attach that particular product to your video, and your viewers will be able to check that particular product out when checking out your content. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.